Do y'all know this song? I can't hear y'all. So do y'all know this song? Okay.
This is so cute. Look. This is all we got. We got the 2 zippers, a bunch of paint so we could paint on it, the fabric. This, what is it called? Like a stencil thing or something? And then we got freaking 8 yards of pink fabric, which is probably gonna be too much, but maybe not. I don't know, because we might mess up. And this shit came out to like $52 for all this.
Lost. Wait.
Yeah,
see, look, I told you it would go like that. It should be.
Oh, I just thought you were laughing because the size.
Yeah, the size too. What the fuck is this? Wait, I think. What the fuck? Why are they so big? I'm scared because there's pins in here. Like,
oh yeah, I was gonna say put it on,
yeah.
but
Look at that legs are shorter.
so bad. What the fuck?
I'm trying my best.
Okay, so I sewed these pants like myself, but I don't know why. They're so high. Like, what the fuck? Like, Angel's didn't come out like this, and I literally copied hers like exactly. I made the pockets, but I don't know where to put them. 7 days until Ariana Grande. I am so dumb. Okay, so I made the sleeves and stuff, and I made the back part, the front part, but my dumbass. Oh wait, actually I'm fucking stupid. Hello? Okay, just kidding. Hehe. I'm not gonna lie, the suit came out like pretty ugly. Like the top part, it just got all fucked up. So I'm just gonna paint it, and hopefully the painting will hide the ugliness and no one will notice. So let's go. Can't even see. It's so dark.
When